The Error Tickets widget shows problems related to the data collection of automatic measurements connected to the service. The Error Tickets widget is available to everyone, but it is not visible on the front page by default, but must be added there separately. You can add the Error Ticket widget to your dashboard from the Widget button. You can specify which layout you want as the main view. When creating a widget, you can also specify the number of errors to be displayed. If there are several dozens facilities, you should increase the number so that all relevant errors are displayed. Later, if necessary, you can modify the settings you have made. The Measurement Errors widget is not real-time view, but the information is updated once a day. If the problem is fixed during the same day, it will be updated on the list during the following night. The Terminals page lists items where there is a problem with all measurements connected to the same terminal. For example, the measurement terminal in the property cannot be contacted, and for this reason, the data transmission of all measurements has been interrupted. The Terminal Error widget displays the facility, the date of the last detection of the error, the number of faulty meters, the type of error, and the name of the terminal. By clicking on the number of meters, a list of failed measurements opens. From the type of error, you can access instructions with more detailed descriptions of errors and operating instructions for the most common terminal types. In the instructions, you will also find the first actions that must be taken on site at the destination, before submitting a ticket to customer support for clarification. It is possible to add the organization's own comment to the terminal error, for example about taking it under inspection or possible known reasons. The comment is not connected to energy management tools. By Facility page lists facility-specific measurement errors. They are errors related to the operation or readings of individual measurements. For example, the water utility has changed the water meter and the connection of the pulse reading device has not been reconnected. The water measurement will have zero consumption. The widget displays facility, the date of detection of the error, the number of failed meters per total number of meters in the facility, and the type of error. The number of meters helps to see the extent of the problem, and clicking on it opens a list of failed measurements. The listing shows when the fault started and what the latest inspection date is, and how long the fault has been on. If there are meters on the list that will not have consumption and you do not want them to constantly appear on the list, it is a good idea to contact customer support. In the service management, they can determine if the meter is to be removed from the error review. Also on By Facility page, you can access instructions with more detailed descriptions of the errors by clicking the error type. The 15-minute page is a separate view for monitoring data transfer of 15-minute accuracy level measurements and missing 15-minute values. In addition to the facility information, the page shows the date of detection of the fault. Please note, this is not the date of failure. The number of meters out of the total number of meters and the error type.